Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use crypto bots only way. Set clear goals, choose a reliable bot, and backtest strategies before risking real funds. I guide you through account setup, API keys, strategy selection, position sizing, stop rules, and ongoing monitoring with calm steps. You will learn to interpret performance, avoid common traps, and manage emotions while trading with clear examples and friendly pacing. Secure setup is the backbone of successful botting, and I will walk you through it step by step. Start by creating an exchange account, enable 2FA, and generate API keys with trading-only access. Learn how to restrict IPs, rotate keys periodically, and keep backups of safe credentials offline. I also explain sandbox testing, monitoring alerts, and how to pause or revoke access if outcomes look suspicious. Choosing the right strategy matters more than chasing returns, and I will make this simple. We'll compare mean reversion versus trend following, show how to set stop loss and take profit levels, and explain position sizing methods like fixed risk or percent of equity. I cover backtesting pitfalls, realistic slippage, and walk you through reading metrics such as drawdown and win rate. By the end, you can pick and tune a strategy confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.